everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ911 and welcome to another episode of my weight loss vlog series. And this week I was going to kind of talk about the importance of walking when you're trying to lose weight, and it's something that I had given up doing and my weight loss had stalled. And so this week I wanted to make a special effort to reintroduce it to my schedule and literally plan it. I put it on my planner like an appointment to walk every day. And may not have been able to go very far on some days, but I did go somewhere, and that I guess is the important thing. And if you bip over to my Facebook page, you'll be able to see several articles that I've been posting on the importance of walking and the benefits it does for your body, and it helping you sleep better. It helps, of course, with weight loss, and it helps with your metabolism, keeps that up high so you can burn off more calories. It wakes you up, and if you have a job that makes you sit all the time, it is so vital to get up and get moving and get that blood circulating. I know my ankles and feet swell up so much when I'm not up and walking around. Like I said, I wanted to just point that out. I want to encourage you to go over to my Facebook page and check out any of the Sunday posts, because that's my day that I focus on anything healthy. And I try to share any articles I find on the benefits of different exercises like walking. And now's the perfect time of the year. It's not too hot, not too cold. So be sure to check out those articles, okay? They've got a lot of good information. Now here's some proof that I stuck to my guns and went walking every day this week. Okay, so I want to encourage you to get out there, start walking. It doesn't matter how far. I've only been going about a quarter of a mile every day because my knees and hips are really hurting. But the only way I'm going to get my weight down so the pain goes away is to keep walking. So even if it's just walking to go get the mail and come back in with it, get out every day, start that off, do it a few days at that distance, and then gradually start to increase how much you're doing. Okay, so I want to challenge you to put those appointments on the calendar to walk every day. It doesn't matter how far you're going to walk. If my body can get out there and walk, so can yours. I've got horrible knee problems, my ankles hurt, I will tell you, it hurts in the beginning. And one of the things I want to share with you is that when I start walking, every walk that I go out on, the first 5 or so minutes does hurt. I'm not going to tell you it doesn't, okay? But if you can get past that first 5 minutes, the pain does go away and the blood starts working, everything starts working for you, so it doesn't hurt as bad as you continue with your walk. Your body knows what it needs to do, but do whatever you can. Don't feel like you have to go out and walk a mile a day. Walk a quarter of a mile, walk to the end of the block and back. Whatever you can do. This first week was hard in the beginning. Now it's not so hard. Each day it's getting easier and easier, and it will for you too. So again, give it a try. Set those appointments to walk every day. Your body will thank you for it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Poke that like button below. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and poke that subscribe button as well and ring the bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. I'll see you next time.